one of these quick. Alright, so I'm going to do a weekly review. I'm going to have a look at the news going into next week, see what we can expect or potentially look for in the next week. As a summary, last week I secured 22 pips within 2 trades, and yeah, pretty much I believe both trades were slight profit and the second one was break even. And yeah, I know that the second trade was a correct answer to get out, and then the first trade, I think I just sort of closed it a bit early. I'd have to go back and see, but yeah. So in terms of the new, what days did I actually take them on? So 12th of August and 14th of August. So Tuesday and Thursday were my trades. So you can have a look here. I think it was pretty much around, like I must have went short. Oh yeah, I remember now. Yeah, so here I went short right before 10 o'clock, caught the move down a little bit and then closed it just because I was expecting a 10 o'clock reversal due to the higher time frame aligning like that, and it just looked more bullish. Yep. And then Thursday, what was it? Was it short or was I long on here? Yeah, so I went short at, where did we go? 10. Yeah, so around here. Zoom back. I mean, you can just check my video earlier in the week, but yeah, I went short around here to then come down target here, but that's actually not true. I went short around here, closed it back at break even just because of the draws above. But yeah, okay, fine. So that was the 2 trades this week. Ultimately, from a psychological standpoint, the second one was maybe chasing the profits a bit more. Didn't really need to get in there. I actually did get very lucky to get out of break even because price did trade up above my entry, and yeah, it gave me an opportunity to get out. So ultimately, need to make sure that I am entering with more conviction and at the right time rather than chasing it a little bit. But you know, it happens. There was 2 different sides to the trade that I could see playing out, and ultimately I realized that one side was moving more likely, so closed out when I could. In terms of news going into next week, let's have a look. Right, let's refresh this. So we got nothing on Monday. Cool. CPI Tuesday, okay doke. CPI meeting minutes on Wednesday. So that's from, I think, a couple of weeks ago. The FOMC meeting a couple of weeks ago. Okay, that's fine. Thursday, unemployment claims as usual. Then we've got PMI. That seems to be through quite a lot of different jurisdictions. Actual voting forecast, good currency. Okay, and then Friday, Fed Chair Powell speaks. Not going to be trading Friday just because I've got a work event on and I'm having a couple of drinks after work. So, especially with Fed Powell speaking, not really any point to trade Friday either way. So, what is this? New threats to Feds. John B. cuts evidence. Powell, few cut rates, yeah, fine. Spill open. Okay. So let's go on the higher time frame. Let's see what's actually happening here. So this is Nasdaq. I'm going to look at the S&P just because So I'm thinking we may see a slight bearish spell. Well, at least I feel going into September, that is historically bearish. And I said August is historically bearish. I got that wrong in my previous videos. August is a bullish month. September is the bearish one. So I'm thinking maybe, you know, price pushes up a little bit going into next week. Maybe clear this. But I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some bearish activity going into September. Maybe sweep this here. Although that is quite a lot of points. So we'll have to see how the monthly candle plays out going into next month. But we do have this still as a target. And I think it's the same on NASDAQ. Yeah, similar sort of thing. Although we do have the inverse fair value gap here. There's a big structure. Yeah, I'm not really massively sure. So I think overall, I'm just going to have to wait. For this week, I cleared 36 quid. It's okay. It's very minimal, to be honest, but still green. And then that puts us up for the month on, what is it? Let's check my broker statement. Current month, we're up £152. So I think it would be somewhere around 2.4% for the month, 2.4142 for the month. So not too bad. Can't complain with that, actually. I'm very happy with that. Only 3 trades this month, and we're on, what are we on? What's the date today? It's 17th. So not bad. 3 trades in 17 days. It's cool. On average, that's 1 every week. So yeah, I think there's a bit of a slower video, to be honest. It's Sunday, and gonna head to the gym after this, and yeah, go watch the first game of the Premier League. Arsenal playing this evening, 2 hours time, so keen for that. And yeah, that's going to be me done. So I will catch you tomorrow.